Hi, I will be doing a review on School Friendzy, which is a website and app to help students with math. Now, I didn't realize that this was a math-focused site when I signed up, but it's a pretty good site nonetheless. So you can use the website schoolfrenzy.com. They recommend using it in Chrome, or they also have an app that you can use. Either way, the students can access this anywhere that they have access to the internet. I already made an account, so I'm going to log in. It was very easy to make an account. All I had to do was give them a username and password, some information, and it was very simple. I am using the free one. There is a paid version, but I'm just going to be reviewing the free stuff. So in here, it's very easy to make and manage courses. You can make assignments, add resources to them, and there's a lot of help options for the students. There's also a messenger feature, so I'm going to go through those for you. A lot of what we're going to need to do is in teacher functions, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And here you can see you can create a class, check assignments, student accounts, register students, manage tutors. Okay. I already went through a lot of this, so a lot of it's going to be review, but focusing on the connection to the reading. So under register students, this is where we can go in and make a class. All you have to do is send a link to a student and they can join the class. It's very simple to join. Once you're in the class, it's pretty easy to create assignments. Okay. I can pull from saved assignments, new assignments, shared assignments. And one thing that's nice is that you can select just particular kids that give this assignment to. So let's say you want to differentiate a day, assign certain things to certain students, and so on. A couple other things that are really nice with the assignments is you can upload a variety of Khan Academy videos that are already saved in here. You can upload your own files, and you can provide answers for instant feedback. Once you assign an assignment and the students start working on it, it opens them up to a what they call digital paper. It's their workspace, and it has keyboard for all the different math symbols you may need, and it allows them to draw right on the page. It's also really easy to grade. If you provide answers, it will do it for you, but then it's really easy to keep data and monitor progress. My favorite thing about this website is when a student is working on something in the work area and they have an issue, they have 3 different options on how to get help. One would be they can see an answer in work from a peer. They can also request help from a peer, or they can get paired with a tutor. Okay. The tutor pairing happens almost instantly. What they do is they request a tutor, they provide a question, and then a tutor, as the first tutor to see the question and respond, gets to help with the student. Okay. This could be a peer in the class, somebody else in the school, or even somebody from outside of the school at another school or a college. All the tutors are managed and selected by the teachers. Okay. This is really nice so that way, let's say a student doesn't want to go to a teacher right away, or maybe they just want to work with the student, they can do that. Once they get paired with the tutor, they can both draw in different colors on the work page, and it works out really nice for them. The last feature that I want to talk about is the Messenger and Collaborate. Messenger is really nice because it allows teacher to write messages to the students. It allows the students to message each other, and it also allows for the teacher to create discussion groups. So I can start a conversation, assign kid XYZ in there, and then watch their conversation. They can talk about anything. You can add links and files, and it allows me to comment on the group discussion. I think School Friendzy is it's a pretty good learner management system. It provides a lot of opportunities for collaboration and resources. As far as the social presence model, I think it works pretty well with each one. So the effective association, there's plenty of space to interact and to feel involved. Although I would really like if it had video or audio conferencing, it doesn't. It's mostly just text-based responses. So some of those can be synchronous, such as the tutor help and the conversations, but a lot of it is going to also be asynchronous, just depending on who the student is collaborating with. Community cohesion. I think there's a lot of opportunity here for the students to see the group as a community, especially since they're all in this together and they can provide their work to be sample work. They can view each other's work. This website really tries to force student-to-student interaction and learning. They can share and help each other a lot. Interactive intensity. There's a lot to do and interact with. There's a lot of resources that you can provide, but I think it really depends on what the teacher pushes out to the kids. The kids don't have a lot of free reign to go out and find those resources. It's mostly what the teacher provides. Knowledge and experience. This one might be the biggest one for this website. There's a lot of opportunities to share knowledge with peers. Like I said, it really pushes peer-to-peer interaction and learning, and a lot of opportunities for students to take ownership over their own learning. Instructor involvement. Again, there's a lot of chances to show your personality with sharing files and videos. You can record videos and post them, kind of like Ollie does in this class, which is really nice. Rice talks about a lot of different activities that can happen with collaboration online. I think some of the ones that this website uses the best is reflection, since you're able to share and see others' work. Problem solving, since it's all math-based and you're working on solving a problem. Demonstrate mastery. One of the better things about this site is that you can easily track student progress and see how they do on each assignment. It's cataloged for you. And presentations too, especially if you're a tutor or a peer helper, you'd be able to present to each other. So those are some of the ones. I don't really think it's good for brainstorming or writing for the web or pair share, since a lot of it seems to be try it first on your own, and then you can get somebody to help you if you need it. As I said, when I picked this one, I didn't realize it was math focused. Although I do think it's really good, there's not really any way for me to tie it into my classes. If I were a math teacher, if I was in a brick and mortar school, I'd probably use this as a supplement. Maybe the first 20 minutes each day we do this. And even if I was just an online teacher, I don't think this would be my primary learner management system. I think this would be more of a supplement. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about School Friendzy. Thanks.